In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Google Drive files that appear grayed out so you can get back to working with your documents without any confusion or delay. When a file is grayed out in Google Drive for desktop, it usually means Drive is still working in the background. The file may not be fully available yet, even though you can see it in your folder. Let's go through a simple process to check what's happening and get those files back to normal. First, start by checking whether the file is still syncing in Google Drive for desktop. Look for the Google Drive icon in your system tray on Windows or the menu bar on a Mac. Click on it and see if there's an indication that syncing is in progress, such as a spinning icon, a progress bar, or a message saying that files are being updated. If you see your grayed out file listed there, that means Google Drive is still uploading or downloading it. This is normal behavior, especially for large files or when many files are changing at once. Next, make sure your internet connection is active and stable. Google Drive for desktop relies on an active connection to sync files between your computer and the cloud. If your connection is weak or has dropped out, syncing can pause, leaving files in that grayed out state. Try opening a web page in your browser or running a quick internet speed test to confirm that your connection is working. If the page is slow to load or doesn't load at all, troubleshoot your internet first by reconnecting to Wi-Fi, restarting your router, or switching to a different network if available. Once you've confirmed that your internet is active, give Google Drive a bit of time to finish syncing. This is especially important if you've just added new files, moved folders around, or recently installed Google Drive for desktop. Large files like videos, design projects, or big compressed folders can take several minutes, sometimes longer, depending on your speed. During this time, it's best not to move, rename, or delete the grayed out file. Just let Drive finish its work in the background. If you've waited and the file still appears grayed out, the next thing to try is restarting Google Drive for desktop. Close the app completely rather than just minimizing it. On Windows, you can usually right-click the Drive icon and choose to quit or exit. On a Mac, click the icon and look for the quit option there as well. After it's closed, reopen Google Drive for desktop from your applications or Start menu. This refresh can resolve small glitches where the app gets stuck or doesn't properly update the file status. Once Google Drive for desktop has restarted and you see that syncing has either resumed or completed, go back to the folder where you originally saw the grayed out file. Check the files icon again. If syncing has fully finished and your connection is stable, the file should no longer be grayed out and should behave like a normal file. Now reopen the file after syncing completes. Double-click it as you normally would, whether it's a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or any other type of file. If it opens without errors and you can view or edit it, then the issue is resolved. By checking sync status, confirming your internet connection, waiting for syncing to finish, restarting Google Drive for desktop when needed, and then reopening the file, you can reliably fix most cases of grayed out files in Google Drive.